Let me see, Meredith. Let's see your bow. Show me your bow. Oh, yeah. What color is it?
Purple and red.
Which one do you want me to make you? Let me see.
Oh, red.
A red one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just like who? Who has one?
Oh,
Who's
Jill.
Jill? That's right.
Oh, 2 balls.
You want 2? Okay, I'll make 2 red ones. And I'll make another purple one so you can put it on the other side.
Here.
Okay?
And you make 2 red ones.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 purple ones, right?
Right.
2 red ones and 2 purple ones.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cutie. Hey, where's the pretty girl?
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
The guy gave me an elevated coat.